Okay, boys and girls, this is how you get to the reading inventory test or the math inventory test that we're taking next week. The reading one was supposed to be yesterday. So if you did not take it, you need to do it today. And what you do is if you're on a school computer and you see this icon, you click on this one and it will take you here. Okay, if you're not on a school computer, I will email your parents the link. And when you get in here, you type in your username. All right. Do it 2 times. All right, I'm pretending I'm Bella for a second. And it takes you here. You want to take the blue test, is what we're taking today. Okay? So you click on that. And then you click on this one. The blue one is reading comprehension. So the blue and blue, that's how that works. Okay, boys and girls, if you have more questions, you can get your parents to email Miss Parker and I, and we will help you guys. But today you need to go on the blue tile and the blue tile. Okay? Bye.